Good morning, everybody. We're on day two of utilities, and we are rocking and rolling. They are setting up more foundations, so that means more utilities to come. I just got done with the dig out this morning. I'm gonna pick up where we left off yesterday. We'll start some backfilling and getting things to grade and getting ready for the next one. Only thing left is the gas line, which we're gonna put in after the power inspections come.
Let's not do it.
I am digging the trench for the pipe for the soakage trench. Because we passed, well, all inspections but power, they all passed. The soakage trench is passed. I want to get this trench dug to where I think it's going to be elevation of our pipe. A rock on it. Frank's going to come and lay it. Anywho. But yeah, they're about done stripping that utility over there. So I am going to see if we can't get the rain drains done on that one today. And get that soakage trench done as well, so we can all get that all inspected at once. I'll fill that all back in. So I'm just gonna, I know something's gonna fall in there. It is what it is. So look at all them big rocks that come out of there. It's gonna pop my track for sure. It's a real pain in the butt, I'll tell you that. All right, so we got our trench dug. Little spot for a silt basin to sit. Try to keep it as high as possible so we don't over excavate it and have to bring in a bunch of gravel. Time is flying by today. I am hungry. Pretty sure Frank is too. We're gonna go eat. Hey, out of there!
Better watch your mouth.
You hungry? God, some people's children. Joe.
Parkour!
You know, if there's anything I've learned from doing these soakage trenches, is I'm getting pretty good at parkour. Inch PVC, 4x3 Fernco. Well, there it is. Double 45 into our silt basin. It goes from 3 inch to 4 inch, 4 inch out. 90'd over into a 4-inch perforated pipe, holes down. I get to backfill all of this. Well, that's almost done. Almost got that all done. But yeah, just gonna start throwing dirt this way. Excuse me. Some in between there without making too big of a mess. Frank's backfilled all that. We're moving along. I'm gonna scrape all this loose stuff. Don't want concrete. Get rid of that later. Mix it in with a little bit of this rock. Got that all graded out. We still need to get dirt between there, but that's tomorrow. I'm getting the 5-yard dump truck tomorrow, and we're gonna start hauling in dirt. I don't know why my hard hat always goes crooked for free. But anyway, yeah, that's all graded out. Soakage trench is laid. Front yard needs dirt, which we can handle tomorrow. What I did is when I graded this, so we don't get it's supposed to rain within the next few days or a couple days. So I cut me a little valley so don't turn into a big swampy mess later. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That'll help me out a lot. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.